Welcome to our Vocabulary Boost session. Today, you'll learn 3 simple school words fast. These are common classroom words you'll use every day. Let's get started. Our first word is whiteboard. A whiteboard is a glossy, smooth surface used for writing and erasing, often found in classrooms and offices. Here's how to use it. The teacher wrote the lesson on the whiteboard, or I erased my notes from the whiteboard. Some verbs commonly used with whiteboard. Write on. She wrote the math problem on the whiteboard. Erase from. I erased the notes from the whiteboard after class. There are different types of whiteboards, like magnetic whiteboards, non-magnetic whiteboards, glass whiteboard, and portable whiteboards. Always use the before whiteboard when you're talking about a specific one in the room. Next up, we have marker. A marker is a pen-like tool with a felt tip, used for writing on whiteboards or other surfaces. You might say, I used a red marker to underline the important points, or, please bring a marker for the project. Here are some common verbs. Write with. He wrote the title with a black marker. Draw with. The children drew pictures with colorful markers. Here are some types of markers. Dry erase marker. This is used on whiteboards and can be easily erased. Permanent marker. This marker writes on almost any surface and cannot be easily erased. Wet erase marker. These markers need a damp cloth to be erased. Chalk marker, often used on chalkboards or glass, and erased with water. Finally, let's learn about textbook. A textbook is a book designed for studying a particular subject, usually with chapters, exercises, and explanations. Here's how to use it. Read from. I read the story from my English textbook. Study from. I like to study from a textbook. Look up in. She looked up the definition in her science textbook. Wondering about the difference between a book and a textbook? A book can be about anything: stories, information, pictures. A textbook, however, is written specifically to teach a subject, like maths, history, and English grammar. Types of textbooks. Subject-specific textbook focuses on a specific subject, like math or science. Workbook includes exercises and spaces to write answers for practice. Digital textbook, an electronic version, easy to carry and sometimes interactive. Thanks for watching. We hope these new words make it easier for you to talk about school and classroom items. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful lessons.